Evo 3 3 kilowatt electric fan heater. Works with 220 volts. It has two different heating options, 1.5 and 3 kilowatt. It has a total blowing capacity of 187 cubic meters of hot air per hour. If you want, you can operate it with 3 different stages. First stage cooling fan in summer, second stage 1.5 kilowatt heating, and 3 stages available for 3 kilowatts of heating. It can be adjusted between no 40 degrees with the ambient thermostat. Evo 3 works with a 3.5 square millimeter cable. Evo 3 can also be produced with hanging bracket and digital thermostat. Dimensions: width 22 centimeters, depth 22 centimeters, height 27.5 centimeters. How many square meters does Evo 3 heat? 20 square meters without insulation. Insulated heating power up to 60 square meters. Uninsulated areas: 4-sided glazed sheet metal trapezoidal balconies and similar insulated areas. Reinforced concrete areas with internal and external thermal insulation. Offices, cafes, restaurants, and similar areas without professional insulation where heat leakage is high. Recommended for use up to 20 square meters at a floor. Height of 2.5 meters. In which areas can Evo 3 be used? Evo 3 can be used in any indoor area where the appropriate electrical infrastructure is provided where heating is needed. Evo 3 industrial heaters. It can be used as a seasonal heater in homes, cafes, offices, and similar areas where the electrical infrastructure is suitable for operating the product.